This is my February latest in beauty box, so sit tight and we'll go through what my 6 choices have been this month. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is my February latest in beauty box, and we are going to get her out of here ASAP. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But here is the box, and they've changed it. It was a black box and now it's not. Okie dokie. So I don't know when, but the price of this has gone up for new subscribers. I was just on their website having a nosy around, and I noticed that it says that for new subscribers this box is now £14.95 per month. I'm presuming you've got the £3.95 postage on top of that as well, and I think you pay for the postage for the first 3 months, and then after that the postage becomes free. I do have a link. I'll pop a link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give that a click and you'll get 20% off your first box. But yes, let's get in. A little sneak peek of what I've chosen. Just trying to familiarise myself with what I've got because I really can't remember. But yeah, let's go through it one by one and see what I have picked. The first product I have chosen in the box is this. The second product I have chosen in the box is this. We have a matching little set. So it's by the brand Sukin, and we have a natural balancing shampoo and conditioner, because if you are an avid watcher of my channel, you know I love a set and I had to get the set. These are perfect sizes to see if you like using them, and then if you do, you can go off and buy the normal bigger sizes, but these are 50ml each, perfect for traveling, saves on space in your case. But yeah, really interested in using these. So these are paraben free. The shampoo helps to maintain naturally balanced hair with an infusion of baobab, burdock and nettle extracts, and the conditioner gently nourishes with burdock, nettle and baobab extracts for naturally balanced healthy hair. Yeah, so whatever, we will have to do a little try out on these to see if they are good or not. Product 3 I have chosen is this. So yes, it is by the same brand, Sukin, and it is their hydrating replenishing hair mask. So not exactly the same range, but we do have a Sukin shampoo and conditioner. I can't get my words out. So I thought, oh, they've got a mask as well. I didn't actually look to see how big the mask was, but this is a full size one. This is 200ml. And this one says, yes, it's paraben free. It protects against damage and discover healthier hair thanks to shea butter, coconut oil and vitamin E, which sounds amazing. So I cannot wait to try this out. So after shampooing, apply to damp hair, wait 3 minutes and rinse. Every time I do a hair mask, I always leave my hair mask on for a minimum of 30 minutes, most definitely. And this just deeply hydrating treatment conditions and manages dry, frizzy hair. A natural blend of shea butter and cocoa butters, coconut oil and vitamin E will leave your thirsty hair quenched, soft, manageable. Sounds good. The fourth item I have chosen is this. These are by the brand Philip Kingsley. Amazing brand. So this came as one, which is absolutely fabulous, and yeah, it's a shampoo and a conditioner. It's bodybuilding. The shampoo volumizes and lifts fine hair. A weightless shampoo, 60ml, and the conditioner, again bodybuilding, hydrates, shorter fine hair, weightless conditioning. Very hair heavy, my box, but you know what, I don't care because I love my hair and I love trying new things on my hair. Yeah, my hair definitely needs treats, lots and lots. So I can't wait to try them out, especially it's Philip Kingsley. Fifth product I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Revolution Pro, and this is Rock Straw Hydrating Shine Lipstick in the shade Velvet. I saw it and I thought, you know, Revolution Pro do some lovely makeup pieces. And I love lipsticks from this. Here it is. I've literally just destroyed the box trying to get that out. It would not open. But I'm not going to open that. I'm going to leave that sealed because I've just looked in my drawer because I thought that colour sounds familiar. And I actually already have that colour, Velvet. So this is my used one. Here it is. Let's try it on. Well, that is it on the lips. It's beautiful. It feels really nice on the lips. This is a swatch of it for a closer up view for you. Absolute gorgeous colour. Love it. So I'm going to keep that in my drawer. It's probably going to end up as my spare to this one, or in the future it might end its way into a giveaway box, but we shall see. But we're going to keep that sealed in any way. A bit disappointed that I ended up choosing the same colour. I should have checked beforehand, but that's my fault. But whatever, it's really nice. Sixth and final product I've got is this. So this is by the brand Urban Vida Natural Skincare, and this is my tongue cleaner. This is 100% copper. Okay, I didn't even know that was a thing, to be honest. An ancient Vedic tradition for impeccable mouth health. I've never had a tongue, that's like a scraper, isn't it? I've never had a tongue scraper before. When I brush my teeth, I do use my brush and I brush my tongue as well. But yeah, this just says eliminates bad breath, removes plaque buildup on your tongue. Plaque buildup on your tongue. Am I being simple? Heightens taste bud sensitivity, promotes a happy gut and GI tract, which I could definitely benefit from because I have Crohn's. So yeah. Yeah, I'll have to give that a try and see if I like it. I hope I do, but yeah, I thought why not choose that as one of my products, and if I like it, win-win. Guys, this is my February latest in beauty box. What do you think of my choices this month? Personally, yeah, love my box, absolutely love it. Some months I really struggle with my choices to fill my box up, and other months there's too much stuff there to choose from, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I know this box is very hair heavy, but yeah, just the way I like it, to be honest. I'd love to get a beauty box, a monthly beauty box, which is just hair, because you can get skincare, you can get makeup, but I would love a dedicated hair box. That would be absolutely amazing. But yeah, a full-size hair mask, a little shampoo and conditioner by Sukin. Awesome. Philip Kingsley duo set, shampoo and conditioner, a lipstick and a tongue cleaner. Yeah, cool. Massive thumbs up from me. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. What have your choices been this month? Did you pick anything the same as me? Remember, if you do want to subscribe to this, click the link down below and it'll get you 20% off your first box, which is a nice little saving. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.